Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? I hope you will be fine. And I am showing you the lady's finger plants, and you can see these are lady's finger. And how is looking? This comment and share please. Look how beautiful these are looking. I hope you will enjoy it. And I want to show you the lady's finger plants. Look, these small are lady's finger. Look, this is lady's finger. Look, this is lady's finger. This is lady's finger. I wanna show you one thing more, and I hope you will enjoy that. Look, what is this gas? How beautiful it's looking. Sunflower. It's very beautiful. Look. Look how beautiful it's looking. Very beautiful. Sunflower. Very beautiful.